Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix this setting is disabled on managed browsers on Google Chrome. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for Registry Editor. After that, run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then in this part, what we're going to do first is to open HKey local machine, which is right here. So open the drop down button and then click on software. So in this part, just scroll down and then look for policies. So once you find it, open it and then open Google and then click on Chrome folder. After that, you will see two files. So what we're going to do there is to just delete it. So right click on it and then click on delete, click on yes. Same goes for the other one. So once you delete those, what we're going to do now is to just restart our PC by going here. And then once you restart your PC, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.